Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey Through Craft, and I have Jasmine with me, and she's going to help me make some cinnamon rolls. 3 ingredients we're going to need, and then we're going to need some confection sugar, right? So we're going to get that started. So we're going to open this. Jazz, do you want to say hi to the people? Would you like to say hello? Make your own crust if you want. I make it a little bit easier for me by using the Crescent rolls. And where is my flour? You know, these Crescent rolls will stick. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to just open this up like so. And you know what? We're just going to roll it right back the way they have it too after we put our cinnamon down. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to roll it out just a bit. Actually, let me put some. Just a bit. Guys, this is the most easiest way to do it. Save time by buying the Crescent rolls. I'm just stretching it out just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my cinnamon, like so. And this is the cinnamon that we're using. Okay, there we go. And at this point, you can put as much as you want. Ooh, this smells so good. Oh my God. You can eat it just like this. As much cinnamon as you want. So we're just going to spread it over a little bit. Make sure we get it all over the place. Yes, ma'am. Just going to lift it up just a bit. And what we're going to do right now is we're just going to roll. Put just a little bit more down in there. This. You're just going to make sure it's in our dough. So we do that by pressing it down. Make sure the cinnamon is embedded in our dough, and we should be good to go. So we're just going to roll it the same way. Let's pick it up. So as we roll, we're going to pull for a tight knit roll. we good to go, guys. Cut our ends off, just like that. Let you guys see the inside. So you say cinnamon roll? I say yes, ma'am. We can do those too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of oil. So the cinnamon rolls won't stick. Just a dab. And I'm just going to cut them in nice sizes, like so. I'm going to stick it in the bottom, just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to face it down so it won't pop up from here. So that's what you just saw me doing. And voila. And guess what? We're going to do it all over again. So the next one we're going to make just a little bit bigger because we have 5 empty spaces over here, guys. So we're going to make it just a little bit bigger. So we're going to put some flour down. Okay guys, so what we're getting ready to do now is we're getting ready to make our sugar to go on top. And all we're going to use is some confection sugar. Powdered sugar, as some people call it. So all we're going to need is a couple of spoons of confection sugar and just a little bit of water. Okay. Now, everybody makes theirs different. This is how I make mine. You can make yours any way you want. You can add a little oil or butter. But I'm just going to add a little bit of water. And you'll see it start turning into like a sugary paste. Because my cinnamon rolls are ready to come out, guys. I'm going to bring them out. And there they go. So what I have learned making this is that if you press your cinnamon rolls down, that's what I should have did, was press them inward. They would be much better. But look guys, they're good to go. Nice and hot. So we're going to take them off. We're going to sit them on this stone here. Oh yeah. And yeah, my daughters are standing by because you know they're ready to get up in this here. And I believe we left them in there for about 20 minutes. Now at this point you can wait till they cool down in order to put your sugar on it. Right? Or you could do what I'm about to do and just jump right into it. Again, if you want to, you can sit your mixture in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes and it'll thicken up, but we're not going to do that. We're going in. Just like that, guys. Oh, yeah. Yes, ma'am. Just like that, guys. So guys, after this, I'm going to jump right into making my pizza dough, and we're going to have a real nice thick pizza. So guys, stay tuned for that. That's going to be straight after this for me, because if I don't do it now, it ain't going to get done. Let's see. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Let's do this. That's all I am saying, guys. Just check this out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now you guys seen this firsthand. So let me taste. Okay, then. I will never go to the store and buy another one of these. Here we go. And you want to talk about the smell? Boy, if you can smell what Roz is cooking right now. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I will make these until the river flows over, because I will never purchase these from the store again. So, guys, my name is Rosin from Rosin Journey Through Crafting, guys. You know you can come back any day of the week and I'll be here, right? And again, I'm going to make my pizza dough. I have my mixer ready. I have all my stuff ready, so stay tuned for that one, guys. But guys, enjoy.